Team Falcons Philippines just released their latest roster para sa darating na Snapdragon Pro Series Challenge Finals, and it's the M5 World Champions. You know what time it is? Hands in. I don't know why, but I felt like I already expected that this was gonna happen. Start ng 2024, itong Falcons AP Bren collaboration has been doing really well para sa Team Falcons and para sa AP Bren specifically. Because again, they were winning games. Mas nakikilala sa buong mundo yung mga manlalaro nila. And I felt like MSC really was an opportunity, hindi lang para sa Team Falcons, hindi lang para sa AP Bren, kundi para na rin dun sa mga players to actually make something out of it. I'm talking money-wise. They earned so much to the point na naisip na rin siguro ng Team Falcons na ba't pa natin papakawalan tong mga to? And would you say na dahil hindi nakapasok yung FCAP roster dun sa M6 mahina sila or humina sila? No! I felt like all they needed was regrouping. Kasi ito na naman yung minamata nila Pa-MSC 2025 na naman tayo, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on the other hand, does this mean na AP Bren is no longer there? Ibig bang sabihin nun wala nang AP Bren? Guys, ito ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, hanggat hindi pa nagpapaalam ang isang team, then it's not over yet. Baka posibleng on the search na ngayon as we speak ang AP Bren roster para humanap ng kanila mga bagong manlalaro. There's a lot of shoes to fill para sa M5 World Championship organization, but it is far from over. Mataas yung bar na iniwan ng mga Team Falcons PH boys. So who's gonna be there to be up for the challenge? Also last na, bakit wala si Coach Ducky sa PUBG? Si Coach Trevor nakita ko pero ba't wala si Coach Ducky?